These guys are little baby 3-month-old kittens. They're absolutely adorable, and they are sort of shy and maybe could use some cuddling. So I'm gonna open this up and just show. Here's the little black one.
Okay.
Giving me that look. I was just holding that one, and he really didn't like it. Yeah, they're all kind of giving me the I don't like you look. You can see the little tabby in the back. It's really giving me side ear. So I think they'll probably come around pretty quickly, but right now we got some scaredy shies.
Okay. Yeah, let's just go back there. It's just plain old fine.
And when I opened up the cage, this little orange one hissed at me. So that's where we are. I know, you're so cute. You just need to be loved on some.